Hello, Uptown Swing.
Level 1, Maddie.
Peter. 8 count, you guys did great. Here's the stuff we learned. Your basic footwork. Leader start left, follower start right. But you know what, let's go together like they did in the beginning.
Okay.
So we'll just go right leg. We'll go rock, step, boom, rock, step, boom. We just found that feeling. Then we added the scoots in there. So we did rock, step, scoot. Rock, step, scoot. That is rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. That's your mantra. You gotta do that a million times. Leaders, your footwork starts with your left.
Followers, we start on the right.
So if we do it right here, this is your real homework, is just doing this. Followers and leaders, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Do this a million times. You could move around if you have the brain space. You just keep on doing it. Never stop. That's your practice. If you get better at that, everything's easier next week. Here are the steps we did today. We started with the flip-flop. We connected up here, and we went rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Then we tried the yo-yo. So it starts the same, but we got the hand in front. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. I put Maddie in front right away, and I'm not shy to step there. Remember, I might have my hand a little more on the side for this one. Same thing for the reverse yo-yo. I go in front. Maddie's hanging out. She gets to step forward.
Followers, we talked about not charging forward, just staying put when we're asked to stay put.
And especially during the Lindy circle. The last thing we learned, rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. If you lose it, you can always just jump it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, Maddie's really hanging out. Rock, step, waiting for it. I go turn, turn, triple step. We could do it twice in a row. We did this sequence. Rock, step, triple step, a yo-yo. We did a reverse yo-yo. Then we did a circle. Then we did the stop and shake. Rock, step, bam, a shaky, shaky, shake. And then you go again. Do whatever you like. That's it. See you next week.